Welcome to Health Awareness and Fitness channel. My today's topic is how to escape from hypertension or high blood pressure problem. When blood pressure is 120 upon 80 mm of Hg, it's called normal blood pressure. Below 110 upon 70 mm of Hg called low blood pressure, and above 140 upon 90 mm of Hg called high blood pressure or hypertension. This measurement is only for adults. High blood pressure is a dangerous condition that can damage your heart. It affects 1 in 3 people in the USA and 1 billion people in worldwide. If it left uncontrolled, raise your risk of heart disease and stroke. There are a number of things you can do to lower your blood pressure naturally, even without medication. Here are 15 natural ways to combat your high blood pressure problem. First, walk and exercise regularly. Exercise is one of the best things you can do to lower your high blood pressure. Regular exercise help make your heart stronger and more efficient at pumping blood, which lower blood pressure in your arteries. Walking just 30 minutes a day can help your lower blood pressure. More exercise help reduce it even further. Second, reduce your sodium intake. Salt intake is high around the world in large part of this due to the processed and prepared food. If you have already high blood pressure, it is worth cutting back your sodium intake to see if it make difference. Swap out processed food with fresh one and try seasoning with herbs and spices rather than salt intake. Third, eat more potassium rich food. Potassium is an important mineral. It helps your body to get rid of sodium and ease pressure on your blood vessels. Modern diet have increased most of the people sodium intake while decreasing potassium intake. Food that contain potassium are below: all vegetable, especially green leafy vegetable, tomato, potato and sweet potato and beans, etc. Fruits including melon, bananas, avocados, oranges and apricot. Dairy products such as milk and yogurt. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables which are rich in potassium can help to lower blood pressure. Fourth, cut back on caffeine. Caffeine can cause a short-term spike in blood pressure, although for many people it does not cause a lasting increase. Fifth, avoid to drink alcohol. Drinking alcohol can raise blood pressure. In fact, alcohol is linked to 16% of high blood pressure cases around the worldwide. Drinking alcohol in any quantity may raise your blood pressure. Limit your drinking in line with recommendation. Sixth, learn to manage stress. Stress is a key driver of high blood pressure. When you are chronically stressed, your body is in a constant fight or flight mode on a physical level. That means a faster heart rate and constricted blood vessels. When you experience stress, you might also be more likely to engage in other behavior such as drinking alcohol or eating unhealthy food that can adversely affect blood pressure. Here are two evidence based tips to lower your blood pressure to try. First, listen to soothing music. Calming music can help to relax your nervous system. Research has shown it is an effective complement to other blood pressure therapy. Work less. Working a lot and stressful work situation in general are linked to high blood pressure problem. Chronic stress can contribute to high blood pressure. Finding a way to manage the stress can help to reduce blood pressure. Seventh, eat food rich in magnesium. Magnesium is an important mineral that helps blood vessels relax. You can incorporate magnesium into your diet by consuming vegetables dairy product, legume and whole grains. Magnesium is an essential mineral that helps to regulate blood pressure. Find it in whole food such as legumes and whole grains. Eighth, take natural supplements. Some natural supplements may also help lower blood pressure. Here are some main supplements that have evidence behind them. Aged garlic extract. Aged garlic extract successfully a stand alone treatment along with conventional therapy for lowering blood pressure. Second, berberine. It is also a traditionally used Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine. Berberine may increase nitric oxide production, which help to decrease blood pressure. Third, hibiscus flower. Hibiscus flower also may a tasty tea. They are rich in anthocyanin and polyphenol that are good for your heart and may lower your blood pressure. Ninth, eat calcium rich food. People with low calcium intake often have high blood pressure problem. While calcium supplements have not been conclusively shown to lower blood pressure, calcium rich diet do seems linked to healthful level. For most adult, the calcium recommendation is 1000 mg per day. For women over 50 and men over 70 is 1200 mg per day. Calcium rich diet are linked to healthy blood pressure level. You can get calcium through eating leafy green and tofu as well as all dairy products. 10th, try meditation and deep breathing. While these two behavior could also fall under stress reduction techniques, meditation and deep breathing deserve specific mention. Deep breathing techniques can also be quite effective. Both meditation and deep breathing can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which help to slower your heart rate and lower blood pressure. Eat berries. Berries are full of more than juicy flavor. They are also packed with polyphenols, natural plant compounds that are good for your heart. Polyphenol can reduce the risk of stroke, heart conditions, and diabetes, as well as improving blood pressure. Berries are rich in polyphenol, which can help lower blood pressure and overall risk of heart disease. 12th, cut added sugar and refined carbs. Low carbohydrate diet may also help to reduce blood pressure. Refined carb, especially sugar, may raise blood pressure. Some studies shown that low carbohydrate diet may help to reduce your blood pressure level. Quit all type of oil and oily thing or fatty food. Oil or oily thing or any type of excess fat containing diet can deposit in your blood vessels, which is called atherosclerosis. Excess oil increase your blood cholesterol and triglyceride level, which lead to hypertension and heart disease. Quit smoking. Among the many reasons quit smoking is that the habit is a strong risk factor for heart disease. Every puff of cigarette smoke causes a slight temporary increase in blood pressure. The chemical tobacco are also known to damage the blood vessels. 14. Lose weight. Losing weight can significantly lower high blood pressure. This effect is even more significant when you exercise daily. 15. Eat dark chocolate and cocoa. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder contain plant compound that's called flavonoid. Flavonoid help to relax blood vessel and lowering the blood pressure. As we have seen that how could we escape from hypertension or high blood pressure problem? Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.